Alright guys, I just want to quickly show you something, yeah? Alright, we are still in Europe guys. Here is self-service, right? Petrol there, it's about 1.749 euros, right? Per liter, no, that's a diesel on top there. And there is a petrol, it's 1.879 euro. And a high performance diesel is 1.9 euro, right? So as you can see here, there's no petrol attendant as well, nothing. It's a self-service. You just wait, you just come, you actually put petrol for yourself. Everyone is going out, so you pay here, right? You pay here, you pay for yourself. So everyone is self-service. There's no what you call a petrol attendant, as you can see there. So everyone is just trying to help themselves, So, in South Africa, I don't think we can have something like this, you know what I'm saying? And here is when you want to put more, the air in the car, you're gonna pump your wheel, you are able to pay 2 euros to get the air. And if you want self-service, you want someone to assist you service, you pay 5 euros. So you can just check there in terms of, how much are these euros, guys? Things are different, here in Europe, right? Yeah, so now we are actually going to the shop. Shop is called Eurospin, right? Eurospin. These guys, they drive on the left. Can you see there? The car is driving, they drive on the left. All right, let me just pause a bit. Yeah, as you can see, we entered the shop, Bariki, 100% Italiani, nel gusto, nella sensibility, nella storia imprenditoriale. It's a shop called Eurospin. So that's where you buy groceries. You buy everything. Yeah, guys. So pizza more is expensive, guys. Pizza more about 11.99 euro. Keep pizza. 11.99 euro. You can tell. You somebody at Turam. Mona panye wa papa. Panye wa kadi. Kura hanya kura kadi lomo. Wow, that's spent actually. To agino go pata mark. Yeah, reka bro tomo. So how much is the bread here? It's 0.95. The bread. You're buying bread. There's the bread. 0.95. So here. You are able to buy eggs. You see there are eggs prices is about 1.65. It's for these eggs downstairs there, down there, all right? So everything here is such a difference. So I just took 2 of these eggs. So this will help us. What about milk, babe? What about the milk?
The milk is there, I have it.
The petrol juice. Petrol juice. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. Even that one's fine.
Why are we saying it's petrol?
So here, guys, we are looking for ice cream. We don't know the names. They've got some different price in there.
Ananas, melon.
What's the name of this one?
Fragola, 3.39.
Fragola. Yes. Okay, the Fragola. Take this one.
Take Fragola.
Yeah, take Fragola. 3.39.
Must we leave this one?
Yeah.
But now this one, the bit is broken, so we need to get the one there.
Take the bottom one, yes. Yeah, so guys, we're trying to get...
Fragola something.
Yeah, it's the same. So we're trying to get the ice cream for kids.
Yeah, it's okay.
Is it Fragola, eh?
Yeah, it is the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing. So let's take this one.